Building a RAG system is easy.
But measuring whether it's actually good? That's much harder. That's where RAGAS comes in. RAG combines information retrieval with large language models. Instead of relying only on its training data, the model first retrieves relevant documents before generating an answer. Even if your chatbot gives an answer, how do you know if it's correct? Was the right information retrieved? Did the model use that information properly? Traditional metrics don't answer these questions. RAGAS is an open-source framework designed specifically to evaluate retrieval-augmented generation systems. It measures retrieval quality and answer quality automatically. Does the answer stay true to the retrieved documents? Does the answer actually answer the user's question? Were only useful documents retrieved? Did retrieval include everything needed? RAGAS compares the question, context, and answer to produce scores. This identifies retrieval or generation problems. Let's see it in action. Here, RAGAS scores confirm high-quality performance. Look at that green dashboard. RAGAS helps developers benchmark prompts, embeddings, retrievers, and entire RAG pipelines. This dramatically reduces manual evaluation effort. Whether you're building customer support bots, enterprise search, or legal assistance, RAGAS ensures your system remains accurate, trustworthy, and continuously improving. RAGAS is becoming the standard way to evaluate retrieval-augmented generation systems. If you're building AI applications, understanding RAGAS is essential, and follow for more AI engineering tutorials.